Happy Tuesday, June 8th. I'm Timmy O'Neill. Thank you for joining me on Embrace Life. Guys, I'm sorry I've been off not making videos as often, but yeah, we've had some crazy news going on, especially with YouTube. I love and appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't, please consider smashing that like button, subscribing, and hitting me up for a comment. Um, this is Embrace Life, guys. We talk about health, wealth, mind, body, and soul. We've been focusing on wealth a lot recently. So let's dive into that just right off the get go. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm not a CPA. If you want financial advice, reach out to one of those guys. I am purely a recreational investor. Just remember a couple things. Anytime you use the word invest, might as well replace that word with gamble, because you only invest what you're willing to lose. That being said, guys, Bitcoin, yeah, it's definitely on a downturn. I don't necessarily think that's bad news. I know a lot of you are thinking, man, I should sell everything and get out of this. It's too speculative. And there's a lot of murmurs going around. But here's the thing. If you're a hodler, you hold on to what you buy. You're buying into the future. You know fundamentally that this is an adoptable financial system. First and foremost, I'll talk about the news over the weekend. El Salvador is now accepting Bitcoin as its sovereign currency, or at least that's what the leader announced this past weekend at the Bitcoin conference in Miami. So let's talk about Bitcoin right now. It's at 32,000. It broke the support. A lot of you guys are worried. A lot of people, holding on to Bitcoin and Ethereum and Doge, and there's a lot of murmurs going around about the pipeline and how the government got their funds back from being held hostage for the pipeline. I think it was like $4.5 million. It was being held hostage. But before we dive into that, hopefully everybody got their tax credit from unemployment from filing 2020, because you were taxed in 2020 for funds that you received as part of the boosted unemployment. If you have not received that money yet, don't worry, it's on its way. Like I said, you can check out the dates on the irs.gov website. You just have to maneuver through making an account and then asking for a transcript for 2020. And there usually is a date, and then date by, and what have you. I'll try to include a link below. Other than that, guys, let's hear from Nadia. You guys already heard the spiel from me. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a CPA. So before I give any more information on what I'm planning on doing, let's hear from Nadia.
Hello, my name is Nadia, and you might be wondering, what am I doing here on Embrace Life? It's to tell you that Tim O'Neill is not a financial advisor, and this is just an expression of his opinion based on his experience. And your experience might be totally different. These videos are for educational and inspirational purposes only, and investment of any kind involves high risk. While risk can be minimized, your investments is totally under your responsibilities. You should do the research, and there are no guarantee of profit or loss of any investment. Hopefully this helps you to understand that you should look on this information only as inspiration. Thanks to all of you, and welcome to the channel. And now, back to the video.
Thank you so much, Nadia. Guys, speaking of which, if you want to reach out to Nadia, you can find her at Lady Wikipedia on Instagram. Also, I want to shout out to our Hodler's Way Ethereum cryptocurrency fam, YouTube fam. A lot of you guys have started YouTube channels, but I wanted to be upfront and let you guys know some concerns. yeah, I've had a noticeable difference in the visibility of my channel. Plus, a lot of subscribers that were removed from the channel. I still don't have an explanation for that, but I also now know that there's an algorithm that is pretty much not putting cryptocurrency content in the forefront of people viewership on YouTube. So, just a little concern. I'm really actually not concerned anymore. I was, you know, a little bit concerned over the weekend because I noticed it and I was kind of fishy. I was just like, man, I really started blowing up in March and April, and May was a total reversal. Like I expected. We even set expectations for the channel to be at 10,000 subscribers. I even have a giveaway. Also on that token, if you like, subscribe, and share this content, comment below, you'll enter to win $2,000 when I reach 10,000 subscribers. On that same token, don't forget to get your 2 free stocks from Webull by signing up and investing $100. You'll get up to $300 worth of stocks. I'm sorry, $3,000. You get 2 free stocks, and they can be worth up to $3,000. Also, Robinhood, you can get free stocks by joining Robinhood. You can get Doge on Robinhood. I'm in upstate New York. I know a lot of people can't get a hold of cryptocurrency in Texas and New York. Pretty soon, Texas will be available to all outlets. New York, it's going to take a little bit longer, so hold on to your hold your horses. Speaking of hold your horses, if you guys don't know the term hodl, it's hold on for dear life, and that's part of the grammatic issue that comes up. Don't you mean hold? Well, kinda. It's hold on for dear life. It's an acronym. At any rate, I love and appreciate all of you guys. Thank you so much for the Ethereum gang. You guys have been doing great, especially reaching out to me when you're concerned. Here's the thing. I'm not concerned. This is hodler's way. We don't need to get concerned. By 2024, since let's put it this way. If you're planning on holding on to this for 4 years, you've already won. Doesn't matter what's happening right now. Don't panic. Don't freak out. It doesn't matter. We're already seeing adoption from countries like El Salvador. I've heard rumor of Paraguay, Panama, a lot of Central American. These countries, they didn't even have a viable solution as far as currency. And let's face it, these guys that want to, throw FUD around and panic everybody in regards to holding on to cryptocurrency by making text messages like Elon Musk's texts. Oh my gosh, tweets. I'm not even thinking right. But yeah, I wouldn't really be worried, guys. Today's a pretty big day leading into June 9th. My last video a week ago in regards to DOGECOIN had a lot to do with these particular dates. So watch closely DOGECOIN. That's what I'm going to be doing. I've got DOGECOIN in Robinhood and DOGECOIN in Coinbase because I did buy it when it did go live. But yeah, let's talk turkey. Bitcoin's currently at 32,000. It broke its support. Ethereum's at $2,457, and both are down. But here's the thing: Ethereum dominance is a thing. It's establishing dominance over Bitcoin, and I know that sounds bad, but here's the thing: everything is affected by Bitcoin. So when you hear all this nonsense going back and forth about Bitcoin's this or Bitcoin's that, it's all. I mean, it's news, but you don't have to believe it. In fact, these guys are just sharing their opinions. Nobody knows what's going to happen. As long as you fundamentally believe in your path, disregard everybody else. I was going to say it, but I'm not going to say it. I love and appreciate all of you guys. Thank you so much for joining me here on Embrace Life. Real quick, we're going to go over Cardano. I think it's a great price. 152 is where it's at right now. Dogecoin's at 32 cents. Both great buying opportunities, especially if you bought high a couple weeks ago and you've been kind of holding on to it since Saturday Night Live's blowout. a lot of people in my cryptocurrency workshop have been doing that, and I just wanted to throw that out there. But I love and appreciate all of you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget your 2 free stocks from Webull. Check out Robinhood to get your free stocks there. You get $10 worth of Bitcoin when you invest in Coinbase, and that's the exchange I use in upstate New York, or Western New York, rather. I also use Polkadot, I use Anchor, the exchange Anchor. If you have any questions about that, you can reach out to me at EmbraceLifeTim on my Twitter. Don't forget to check out NickolRubolas Trading. He has fantastic content. Amanda Hunt, Anastasia Domini. Check out Twisted Nerd. I'll put all the links for their channels. They're new here, guys. Let's give them a greeting. Let's show them some strength here from Hodler's Way and the Embrace Life crew. Today, day 20 of my Thrive, and I feel great. I have a ton of energy. My mood is a lot better. Man, I got so much stuff I wanted to talk about. I'm sorry I'm not putting out content as fast as I'd like to. Still doing my runs in the morning. I'm still managing my 10,000 steps a day. Staying on top of that, because those things are important. If you really want to embrace life, you find your purpose, set fire to it. I know this is off the topic of finance and wealth, but hey, this channel is health, wealth, mind, body, and soul. So we're thinking about the mind, we're thinking about the body, and we're thinking about the wallet. So I'm loving life. If you're interested in checking out Thrive, I have samples. I'm more than happy to share them or send them to you. You can just reach out to me in the comments. Just say, hey, I'd like to check out Thrive. It's fantastic. Between that and my change in diet, energy could not be an issue anymore. Sleep is not an issue anymore. Weight loss has not been an issue anymore. It's literally, I'm seeing the tone, I'm seeing the results on the scale, I'm seeing just all around greatness. I love it. If you want more information, reach out to me. You can check out Amanda. She's my queen when it comes to getting into shape. She's got these workouts she has me do every day. I know I get to them a little late. She's like, oh, and if you're just watching the replay, put #replay. And I'm like, sorry, I got a really strict schedule, so I'm going to have to #replay. You guys could do that for my channel. Please help support my channel to stay independent. I'm doing this all on my own. I'm not getting paid to do this. I am getting paid for advertisements, but if you support the channel and want to help me share this content with other people because you think it's helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, put in a comment. You could win $2,000, which I will be giving away once I reach $10,000 as part of the giveaway. But yeah, check out Coinbase, check out Anchor. Also, Anchor has yield coin. You can actually buy Polkadot and gain returns on your interest. I have Cartesi on there, which is pretty hard to get. From as far as if you're from New York, but let me know what you think about this content in the comments below. How do you think it's fair what YouTube's doing about the cryptocurrency algorithm? Also, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and enjoy life, man. We only got one of them, so it's your story. Make it good. Remember here, guys, it's all about the village. It takes a village. And this rising tide will lift all ships. So don't worry. Don't FOMO. Don't fall for the FUD. I love and appreciate all of you guys. Happy Tuesday. And thank you for joining me here on Embrace Life. And as always, we'll be talking soon.